Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to decide daily and monthly Google Ads budget for your client, how many clicks you can expect, and how those clicks convert into real lead using practical calculation. Okay, so this is not a theory-based video. I will explain everything with real numbers and real calculation. After watching this video, you will be able to confidently explain budget planning to your client. First of all, we will calculate the average CPC from keyword research. Then we'll decide the daily and monthly ad budget. After that, we will estimate how many clicks we can get from the budget. So then finally, we will calculate how many leads and calls the client can expect. Okay. So here is our 5 keyword. Okay. Junker army. In here, we need low bid and high bid. Okay. So for this keyword, firstly we calculate average CPC as like 3 plus 8, so $11 divided by 2. So average CPC per keyword, low bid plus top bid by 2. Low bid plus top bid division by 2. Okay. So in here we calculate average CPC per keyword as like first keyword 3 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 5.50. Second keyword 2.5 plus 7 divided by 2 is equal to 4.75. Keyword 3 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 4.0, as like this. So first we calculate CPC per every keyword. Okay. Then total average CPC cost per click, total 5.50 plus 4.575 plus 4.00. So in here we calculate the summation every keyword CPC. Okay. Then total keyword number. In here total keyword number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total average CPC. So our average CPC formula is total average CPC by number of keywords. Okay. So total average value is 25.65 by number of keywords 5. So 5 per 1. As like it's about an average 5, right? Then decided as per mix. Let's say client wants 200 clicks per month. Monthly ad spend formula is average CPC into expected click. So our average CPC is $5. Our client expected click is 200. So our monthly budget is $1,000 per month. Okay. Now we are calculate the actual click, call, and quality risk. Suppose imagine 20% of clicks convert into call. So suppose from 200 clicks, 20%, 200 into 20%, so 40 calls. Okay. And suppose 30% become qualified leads. So 40 into 30%, 12 qualified leads. So final result is our 200 clicks, 40 phone calls, 12 qualified leads. Okay. So actually the result may vary, but this is the realistic planning model. Finally, we can tell client based on keyword competition and realistic conversion rates, we should keep at last $3 to $35 per day, which around $900 to $150 per month. Okay. So I think you can understand everything. Okay. You can follow this method for your client and budget. I think it's very helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and share this video.